Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you a super powerful iPhone automation that can genuinely save you from missing an extremely important email, especially if you've applied for a job. Because let's be honest, sometimes that one reply can change everything, and missing it that can cost you an opportunity you might never get again. So, let me show you how to make your iPhone literally speak out loud the moment that specific email arrives from the exact sender you're waiting for. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now go to the bottom and tap on Automation. Here, choose New Automation. Scroll and select Email. Now look at the first option, Sender. Tap on any sender and replace it with the exact email address of the company or the person you're expecting a reply from. This is the most important part because the moment that specific sender emails you, your iPhone will react instantly. If you want, you can also add more filters. Subject contains accounts like iCloud or Gmail or recipients. These are optional, but they are great if you want to make the automation even more precise. After that, tap Next. And now choose Create New Shortcut. In the search bar, type Speak and select Speak Text. Now tap on the text field, and here you can write anything you want your iPhone to say the moment the email arrives. You can write something like most important email received, VVIP message detected, your job application reply is here. Whatever you like, make it loud, make it obvious. If you tap the small arrow next to the text, you can even customize the voice, the rate, the pitch, and the language. When you're done, just tap Done. That's it. Next time that sender emails you, your iPhone will speak the message you wrote instantly.
Most important email received.
Even if you're nowhere near the screen. This way, you don't accidentally ignore it, you don't swipe it away, and you don't miss your shot at getting that job you've been waiting for. And to let you know, guys, this automation works for the Mail app on iPhone, so make sure you're signed in the Mail app. This automation is honestly a lifesaver for anyone applying for something important, jobs, university, visa appointments, anything. Try it now on your iPhone, and trust me, you'll thank yourself later.